just woke up. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. Today's Sunday, so gym only functions from 7 to 7. Or else I would have woken up a lot earlier and I would have been by the gym right now. But anyway, we're going to be hitting the gym at around 8 today. I started off really late, but we have a lot of things to do today, guys. Like, today, I'm supposed to get like a bike repair done. A bike repair, right? Doesn't make sense. But I'll tell you guys what it is in a while. So today I have to get that done, and then I have a lot of client work to do, and also I have to focus on the marketing side of things. Not about the channel. It's about the brand and all these things. Today I'll talk to you guys about the brand and what it is and everything that we have decided so far. So I'm gonna have like some oats, some whey protein, and hit the gym. We're gonna be doing a push workout today. Today I changed the program a bit. I made a proper layout for myself, and today I'm gonna be following it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me through the entire workout, and I'm gonna give you guys a commentary so that you guys can understand what's up and know what the workout is and everything. So I'm super excited. Let's have some meal and let's go to the workout. So this is the regular oats and whey protein shake that I have. I have around 35 grams of oats or 33 grams of oats. This is like one scoop of oats, right? I measure the oats separately. I grind them into a mixer, and they become a fine powder, right? They become a fine powder just like whey protein. So then what I do is I put these 33 grams of powdered oats inside the shaker, and then I put like one scoop of whey protein, add some water, shake it up, and that's my drink. So this drink will have around 25 grams of carbohydrates, 25 grams of proteins, and that's it. So that's basically what this drink is. This is like the best pre-workout meal one can ever go for, because it has carbs, it has proteins, it has everything, and also it is very easy to drink. In the morning, nobody wants to eat a lot of food, so this is pretty easy to drink. I just thought I'd let you guys know. You guys can try it. This has been my staple for a long time. So now, off to the push workout. So back in the commentary after a long time. I'm so happy to come back with the commentary, guys. So this is a push workout, and this is a proper scheduled workout that I've made for myself, and this is what I'm doing right now. So basically I'm doing 2 push days in a week, 2 pull days in a week, and then 2 leg days. So this is the first push day. After a long time, I'm hitting back my bench press. I used to always do dumbbells, but now I started doing my bench press. I really want to improve on my bench press, and I actually did more weights than this, but Dhanshekar, who's training with me, has to give me a lift off, so there was nobody to record, and that is why I couldn't record that footage. So after that, we moved on to some OHPs. Now I have noticed that my strength on my OHPs has come down a little bit because I have not been focusing on them a lot, but I am getting back to them, and I really believe that OHPs are very important, not only to build a big shoulder, but also it involves a lot of core strength. And if you're someone who doesn't do a lot of ab exercises, I think you need to include exercises such as these, so that you kind of work on your abs. And OHPs really work your abs, because when you're lifting that weight on top, right, your center of gravity goes higher, and because of this you're going to have problems in stabilizing, and your core comes into play for this, and that is why your core is activated a lot on OHPs. Then we moved on to some incline dumbbell press. Now remember, guys, each of these exercises I do around 3 to 4 sets. Depends on your workout volume. If you're someone who's new to all of this, I think you should stick to 3 sets. If you're someone who think that this volume is not enough, then you're supposed to go more than 3 sets and do 4 sets. And this machine or this bench that I'm using for the incline dumbbell press is really a pain in the ass, because they have this one more gripper on the leg. You guys can see at the bottom, right, where near my shoes. So this is an extra thing, and this is really hindering me when I'm trying to lift heavy and when I'm trying to pick up the dumbbell and I'm sitting down. Really, this is the only thing that I don't like about the gym. Or else this is a really good gym. This is one of the, I think this is a really good gym to train in Chennai. And this is, the gym is called as Flux Fitness. They are there in 4 locations. The one that I'm training at is in Adyar. So if you guys are from Chennai and if you want to train with me, do hit me up. We'll have a workout session at Flux Fitness Adyar. And then I did some side lateral raises for the delts. Gotta hit them delts to make sure you get that width and they pop out of a t-shirt. So then we moved on to some cable flies. I'm leaning in front a bit because the weight is actually more than me, so that's the only way I can stabilize myself. So then we do some again cable flies from low to high to hit your upper chest. I think these 2 should be a staple in any of your chest workout routines. We are finishing this exercise off with some tricep push downs. My favorite exercise for triceps. You're supposed to do one push down exercise and one exercise where your arm is above your shoulder to hit the other head of your tricep. So this kind of completes your whole push workout. Again guys, if you guys want to do a push workout, I really recommend you guys to do this workout, because this has the perfect mixture of your chest, shoulder and your triceps. So thanks a lot for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. A lot of big things are coming up. So hope you guys liked the workout, and we just got done with the push workout. I hope it was pretty informative and I hope you guys could get something out of it. And this push workout is the first push workout. We basically have like 2 push workouts per week. So this is like the first one. Okay. So this is like the first one, and we still have another push workout. So basically it goes like legs, push, pull, legs, push, pull. So yeah, the first one is more of strength training. The second one is also strength training, but includes a bit more of hypertrophy. So we're gonna go get some chicken, some proteins basically. I'm out of chicken, I'm out of everything. So we're gonna go get some proteins and hopefully get some protein bars also. Let's see how that goes. I'll take us along with me for the grocery shopping and also some fruits. I've become like a fan of fruits suddenly. So let's go and get some fruits and everything. So yeah. He's actually on a very strict diet and he wants this, and he's checking out all these candies. Do you want this?
No,
Do you really want to have this?
I'll take one.
If he can fit it in his macros, he can have it. So he has like some 25 grams of carbs in the night, which is like free. He can do whatever he wants with that. So probably he can squeeze this. Do you want this?
Yes.
So you can have it, yeah. So I just bought some chicken, and then I have some potatoes, some Mentos, some just jelly for some quick carbs, and yeah, that's pretty much my grocery shopping. This would probably be my favorite track, but I already have like 4 Red Bulls in my home. So basically you all know that I got into an accident quite some time back, right? The accident that I mentioned to you guys in the transformation video. So ever since then I have not like driven a bike. I have driven a bike once or twice, but I never like drove my bike after that. So right now I'm gonna go and get my bike. It's in one of my relatives' place, so I'm gonna go get that. So the whole point of this video is, if you guys are from Chennai and if you're interested in buying an R15 version 2 Sunset Red, it has only like 15,000 or 20,000 kilometers in it. Do let me know. Comment down in the comment box below, or send me a message on Facebook and we can connect. So yeah, it's for sale. So I'm basically going to sell it. So that's the reason why I'm going somewhere right now. And after that, I'm meeting a couple of friends. I'll take you guys along with me there also. So that bike reminded me of a lot of things, like the moment I saw it, it's been there for a long time. I haven't used it for quite some time, so it brought back a lot of memories, and how I used to be and things like that. And like back when I had that bike, I was not actually lifting. So as soon as I started lifting is when I didn't have that bike anymore. So it brought out days that reminded me of when I didn't lift. And yeah guys, like I think I've evolved a lot as a person right now, but still I love that bike a lot. That bike has saved me a lot of times, and it has been with me like almost all the time. It's pretty close to me because I used to do some track racing with that bike. Like I used to have a couple of practice sessions with that bike, and I want to sell it, but for some reason I don't know guys, like unless I get like an epic deal, I'm not going to sell that. So yeah, I just like that reminded me of a lot of things, so just thought I'll let you guys know. And also I'm going for a meeting right now. This meeting is based on that marketing that I told you guys about the brand, like how we're going to market the brand and stuff. So the moment you all been waiting for, I'm here to talk about the brand. And I'm here at my office with a nice background, right? Some people always complain that I don't change my background, so I have a lot of backgrounds, but I just choose not to use it. So from now on, I'm going to use a lot of backgrounds. But anyway, coming to the topic, I'm going to talk about the brand, okay? You guys saw the previous edit that I made regarding the brand, the office, what we're doing and stuff. So basically, this brand that I'm starting, it is not being started by me alone. So I have a friend with me. We both have been working together on this. We both hold 50% of the share. So we both are like partners. So we hold like 50% of the company, each of us. And I've known this friend for a long time. I'll introduce you guys to him pretty soon. You guys would have seen him on the edit also. But when I talk more about the brand, as in when I tell you guys the name, when it is getting launched, and all these details, I'll definitely make a video sitting next to him and talking about it. But for today, I just want to get the curiosity out and tell you guys what we are planning to do. So this brand is a lifestyle brand, okay? So we are going to be selling stuff that will improve your lifestyle. Now this, it is not necessarily going to be something that is fashion oriented or something that is fitness oriented. It is not going to be on any particular direction. We are going to try to achieve maximum diversity. So we are going to try to make products along each of the lines, products that you guys want, products that are not available in India as of now, okay? And even if they are available, they might be available at a very high cost. So I don't want you guys to pay so much of money for a product that can easily be made at a cheaper cost. So that is what this brand is all about. This brand is about providing that product that you guys always wanted to have. And when we do online shopping, we always wish that, okay, I wish I had this t-shirt or that t-shirt or something like that. So that is what this brand is all about, guys. Things that you wish you can have, and we are bringing it at a very cheap cost. So I can assure you that when we launch the products, the prices are not going to be super high. They are going to be in a very affordable area, and we are not going to have a lot of profit margin. Okay, we don't want to do that. So obviously we are going to have some profit, but it is not going to be out of the books, which a lot of companies are doing right now. So this is about the brand. Second thing, before you guys say that I came out of Inspiren to start this or that, like me and Shreyas are in very good terms. Inspiren is a brand that has been started in another direction. This has been started in another direction. Now this brand is not going to be only focused on fitness. In fact, our first line of products are not fitness oriented. They are more towards the fashion segment. They are what people who lift in the gym want to wear outside the gym. You guys understand what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm super excited for this, for the launch, for everything. And also, this brand is unique in a lot of ways. So number one is the product line. I think we have a very unique product line that we are launching this time. So none of the products that we are launching is available in the Indian market right now. I can assure you that. Second thing is the way we market. So we are going to choose a unique way of marketing which has not been followed in India so far. I think probably just one or two companies are doing it. So this is something that is also setting us apart. Third thing is also, we are thinking from the shoes of our customers. Like the reason why I am starting this brand or why we are starting this brand is because of the fact that I have sat down in front of the computer many times saying that, okay, I really wish this was available, I really wish that was available, and I wish this is too costly, that is too costly. We thought about all these things and we made it affordable, and we are bringing all these products to you. So enough said about the brand. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and also watch the next video. Don't forget the next video, it's very important because as I told you guys earlier, I'm trying to do something which is going to bring us closer. It can be an event, something like that. Just make sure you watch the next video. It'll be worth it. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on all social media. For online coaching, send me an email at gautam@superfit@gmail.com, and I'll see you all on the next one.